Hi there. You've just heard some harmonic healing sounds generated from a Tibetan singing bowl. The rich harmonics, or those wah-wah sounds, can be heard particularly well when my mouth is placed at the edge of the bowl and becomes a resonating chamber by itself. Essentially, we all exist as pure pulsating energy, manifesting as both light and sound. When your aura shines with the completed rainbow of your own inner light and the symphony of cosmic sound within the body, mind, and spirit are in tune, then you will radiate with health, vitality, and love. Today, bring more love, laughter, light, music, and color into your body, mind, and spirit, that we may together create a new world where peace and love prevail.